Kamalika.
Always.
Always my favorite. I thought she said things I could not say in rooms. Some videos about Anupama having a problem and Kyonki is coming and this and that. We want to make impact more than TRP. It dealt with a lot of issues which were social evils. Discuss parenting. I've made her discuss things like age shaming, weight shaming. We don't want to run away from the fact that we want to bring out certain socially relevant topics on the show. These unfair comparisons between lead characters and lead shows is so unnecessary.
Hi Ekta, how are you doing?
Good, how are you doing?
All good.
Good.
So, क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी reboot is coming, what should audience expect from this one?
So like I said, it's a whole new world. The world has changed. But Kyonki will deal with again the topics that it always stood for. We want to bring in a character, use the power of storytelling to tell a story that India probably... Television is a really big medium. We want to now finally come back and use it again to tell smart, serious stories for a limited period, because the show is for a limited amount of episodes, and we want to make impact more than TRPs.
So it was a big legacy like back then, and they were like, it went for 8 years, if I'm not wrong.
Yes.
Yeah, 8 years. So did you have that pressure this time, like to build that legacy?
It's a lot of pressure. But like I said, if you're living with that pressure, you'll never be able to do anything which you want to do. Rather work on making a story that is relevant for today, and of course making it about only for a certain amount of episodes, and make it smart and very today in its approach. Tell things that television is probably now no longer telling. So yeah.
So you were just 25 when you started, when you were doing that Kyonki first one, 2001. So it was based on the family values. What convinced you about the, about the show that time, like about the theme?
You see, you want to tell a story. You're never convinced this will be a big hit or not. You just enjoy the writing process of it, and then you do this.
So now do you think the 25-year-olds now will perceive it in the same way, in a similar way?
Maybe not. See, maybe not. And that's a risk we are ready to take. We are saying it for limited episodes. But we are hoping that it resonates with today's youngsters also. Although television no longer is resonating with youngsters, we are hoping this show has a certain impact to the young India.
So what kind of examples do you think the show set for Indian women?
So the show dealt with euthanasia, it dealt with age shaming, it dealt with a lot of domestic violence, marital rape, rape in families. It dealt with a lot of issues which were social evils, and brought it on screen in the most, should I say, sensitive way. And it was important that we decide to do this, because at that time those were things not discussed at homes, and women or families were suffering quietly because it was a taboo to discuss it. And we hope to bring up such issues again.
Is there a freedom of, to have women character which you were not able to do it back then, like in 2000?
So yes, I have updated Tulsi a bit for today. Like, I want to make her far more discuss parenting. I've made her discuss things like age shaming, weight shaming. I've had the character now have her own vulnerability, which at that time, vulnerability was not played up so much. And it's important to show a person who's strong also being vulnerable. And yeah, we've tried to do that. But like I said, if it resonates, it will resonate big. If it doesn't, well, we don't want to run away from the fact that we want to bring out certain socially relevant topics on the show. And this is our first and foremost aim with the show. TRPs will follow. If they come, they come. Don't come, don't come.
So your villains, I wanted to talk you about. They always had like this different style and makeup. So what was the thought behind that? And are we going to see it again?
Though they were a little slightly caricaturish, more of like, I mean, I thought we lived out our most, what should I say, fun side with the vamps. Be it Kumbhalika or Ramona. They were like, they were far more edgy women as such. I loved them, but like I said, this time we're trying to do a little more understated as vamps. We don't want to make them so out there because the show is going a little more relatable, you know.
Which one was your favorite?
Kamalika.
Always.
Always my favorite. I thought she said things I could not say in rooms. So I was like, oh my gosh, she's just saying it.
Women supporting each other now in comparison to back in 2000.
Like yesterday, I was seeing some videos about Anupama having a problem and Kyonki is coming and this and that. I felt that was such bad taste. She is such a big star. Anupama, the show, Rajan, the creator, have done what nobody else could do in the last 7 years. They will continue to be number one. And they should continue to be number one. We're coming in with our purpose to tell our story. These unfair comparisons between lead characters and lead shows is so unnecessary. And I think pitting women against each other, pitting content against each other is so uncalled for.